This is gonna blow your mind. Wild animals are not your next pets. Let's kick it off with some real talk. Wild animals need space, like way more than your tiny lawn. Think of a lion chilling in your living room. Nope, not gonna happen. Next up, they've got their own foodie vibes. No, a grizzly ain't swapping salmon for your dog's kibble. And let's chat about instincts. Wild animals are born to roam and hunt. Caging them up? That's like putting a skateboarder in a library. Boring. Plus, they've got mad survival skills. Keeping them in a crib is like asking a pro surfer to stick to a kiddie pool. Nah, let them ride those waves. Finally, it's about respect. Wild animals are majestic, free spirits. Let's admire them from afar and let them do their wild thing. So next time you think about inviting a raccoon over for dinner, just remember, wild animals belong in the wild. Peace out, nature fans.